How to share your Apple Music with your family. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share your Apple Music subscription with your family members. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, tap on your profile name at the top of the screen and then select Family. If you haven't set this up yet, this is where you can enable family sharing to share your subscriptions. Simply tap Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to invite your family members. Tap Invite Others at the bottom and choose the contact you want to invite. Keep in mind that they'll need to accept the invitation to be added to your family sharing group. Once your family group is set up, open the Apple Music app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and then select Manage Subscription. Here, make sure that your Apple Music plan is set to Family Plan. To check this, tap See All Plans and ensure the Family option, the second one, is selected. After confirming that you have a family subscription, go back to your Settings app. Tap your profile name again, then go to Family. From here, tap Subscriptions, and you'll see your Apple Music plan listed. As long as your plan is a family subscription, you can select it and share it with your family members. And that's it! You've successfully shared your Apple Music subscription with your family. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out.